Brazil nuts aren't just tasty, but they are also loaded with vitamins and minerals that offer a variety of health advantages. They aren't just a delicious snack, but are also an excellent source of selenium, an essential mineral vital to the human body. The native species of Brazil is the Amazon rainforest of South America. Brazil nuts originate from the Brazil nuts tree, which is scientifically referred to as Bertholletia excelsa. The trees are as high as 50 meters and can be found in abundance throughout Brazil, Bolivia, and Peru. Brazil nuts themselves are an enormous, hard-shelled nut enclosed by a dense wooden casing. One of the primary reasons why Brazil nuts are regarded as an amazing source of nutrients is because of their rich levels of selenium. Selenium is a vital mineral and plays an essential function in a variety of body activities. It functions as an antioxidant, shields you from an oxidative stress condition, aids in the immune system, and aids in regulating the thyroid's functioning. Selenium is renowned as a neutralizer of free radicals within the body. Free radicals can cause damage to cells, causing chronic illnesses. Selenium's antioxidant properties can reduce the chance of developing cardiovascular diseases, as well as certain cancer types, as well as cognitive decline. Brazil nuts are a fantastic supply of selenium. 1 teaspoon of Brazil nuts will offer over 700% of your daily intake of selenium. The high content of selenium makes Brazil nuts a great option for those who might have a deficiency in selenium or who want to increase the intake of this vital mineral. Alongside selenium, Brazil nuts also are high in other nutrients essential to our lives. They're a great food source for healthy fats, especially polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. They help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of developing heart diseases, and help support the health of your brain. Brazil nuts also are an excellent source of fiber, protein, as well as a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in copper, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. These are vital for ensuring strong bones, supporting the proper functioning of nerves, as well as helping to strengthen the immune system. Incorporating Brazil nuts into your diet could positively impact the overall health of your body. They are a great way to improve the function of your thyroid, improve immunity, improve the heart, and help promote the health of your brain. Selenium in combination with other important nutrients make Brazil nuts an excellent food which should be included in an energizing diet. It is crucial to keep in mind the fact that Brazil nuts are rich in calories. Therefore, it is essential to eat the nuts in moderate amounts. A few Brazil nuts per day will supply the essential nutrients without adding a lot of calories to your daily diet. It's also essential to properly store them in order to keep them fresh and avoid loss. To conclude, Brazil nuts aren't just an excellent snack, but they are also an amazing source of nutrients. The high content of selenium together with the other vital nutrients make an excellent supplement to your diet. Incorporating Brazil nuts into your food regimen can bring a variety of health benefits, from increased cardiovascular health and improved cognitive function. Therefore, go take a few Brazil nuts and revel in their delicious flavor and amazing health advantages.